Ever lost a hot lead waiting for a demo? Visitors disappear when demos need scheduling and human availability. Your SDRs juggling calendars while prospects cool off fast. Missed momentum equals missed revenue over and over again. You need demos now, not days later, right? Meet Naoma, a 24/7 AI video sales agent. Embeddable branded widget that launches demos in 10 seconds. Personalized walkthroughs, live discovery, and real-time Q&A for prospects instantly. Runs multilingual demos in 33 languages, globally ready. Convert 6 to 20% of visitors with smart demos. Customizable, human-like host with a polished purple UI. Branded experience that matches your site and voice. Auto logs, transcripts, and qualification scores straight into CRM. Dashboard analytics show who's engaged, when, and why. Scale demo delivery without more SDR hires or scheduling headaches. Drop Naoma's widget onto any page in seconds. Visitors click. Naoma greets them with tailored opening. Agent asks a few discovery questions, instantly personalizing the demo. Walkthrough highlights relevant features based on visitor answers. Live Q&A handles objections and specific product questions. All transcripts and scores saved, ready for SDR follow-up. Schedule handoffs or automate qualification workflows to CRM. We saw conversion lift across landing pages and pricing pages. Visitors convert at higher rates at peak buying moments. Multilingual demos opened new markets without extra localization work. Prospects self-qualify, reducing reps' outreach load and time to contact dramatically. Typical lift, 6 to 20% conversion improvements. Wins come from faster demos and tailored messaging. SaaS teams, e-commerce brands, and SDRs love the results. No more missed demos, no scheduling back and forth ever. Hands-free demo delivery that works around the clock. Consistent product messaging across every visitor interaction automatically. Start demos in 10 seconds. Instant buyer engagement. Customize avatar, script branding, and language effortlessly in-platform. Plug into your stack with CRM and analytics integrations. Free SDRs to focus on high-intent conversations and close. Imagine a lead watching a tailored demo at midnight. They ask questions, get answers, and self-qualify instantly. You receive a scored transcript ready for follow-up. Better conversion, faster qualification, clearer pipeline forecasting visibility. Supports 33 languages, enabling truly global demos instantly. Reduce demo scheduling costs and demo no-shows significantly. Perfect for e-commerce brands, SaaS companies, and sales teams. Keeps your brand voice consistent, friendly, and helpful. Setup takes minutes. Demos start in 10 seconds. Transcripts and data flow into your CRM securely. Drop it on site, in-app, or outbound campaigns. Purple, polished UI that looks professional and welcoming. More demos, qualified leads, and better salesperson focus. Teams reported measurable lift within weeks, not months. Naoma automates product demos, qualifies leads, and scales conversions. If you want to stop losing hot prospects, try Naoma. Start a demo in 10 seconds. Truly instant. See conversion lifts across languages and funnel stages. Perfect for SaaS, e-commerce, and busy sales teams. Visit Naoma.ai, embed the widget, and start converting today.